Hello and welcome to another Computer Terminology for Beginners video. Today we will be concentrating on term 9, USB. USB stands for Universal Serial Bus. This is a part on computers used to connect multiple types of devices and peripherals. This includes flash drives, external hard drives or solid-state drives, keyboards, mice, etc. This type of hardware connectivity has been an industry standard since May 1996 and is still used today. There are several types of USB connections, the most popular being USB-A, the most common type of USB, and the relatively new USB-C, introduced in September 2017. USB can be used to transfer data between computers and devices, used as interfaces to control a computer or a device, or can even be powerful enough to charge or power certain devices, such as cameras, certain types of computers, as well as phones. That is it for today's computer terminology video. Thank you for tuning in with me. If you liked it, go ahead and leave a like, and go ahead and subscribe for future content. If you want to check out last week's video, you can click on the left for PCI, and if you want to check out the entire playlist, go ahead and click on the right, and stay tuned for next week's terminology, HDMI.